Introducing the Versa Pedestrian Gate. Designed to secure your site, control access, and keep pedestrian traffic moving without a hitch. Installation is quick and easy, saving you time and potentially freeing up your workforce for other tasks. It is fully compatible with water barriers and chain link fence panels, making it a flexible option for any configuration. With its pre-galvanized zinc treatment, it resists corrosion, giving you peace of mind that it'll last under the toughest conditions. A gate that combines strength, simplicity, and long-term reliability. Versa Pedestrian Gate, your solution for temporary fencing at construction sites.